Day 2 of formal short division, also known as the bus stop method. So hopefully you have looked at the start of the lesson presentation and you've seen the vocabulary and you've practiced some times tables. And then these pages that you're going to see in front of me are the slides that are on your lesson presentation as well. I'm just going to work through them with you. So let's have a look at our first word problem. It says there are 4,884 crayons and they come in packs of 4. How many packs are there? So they come in packs of 4. So we need to divide the 4,884 by 4. So we put that in our bus stop and then we have our divisor on the outside and then we get started with our division. Let's have a look. Now I know my 4 times table. So 4 divided by 4 is 1. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 8 divided by 4 again is 2. And 4 divided by 4 is 1. So how many packs are there? The answer is there are 1,221 packs. Let's have a look at this one. Okay, so I have a linear calculation, but I'm going to put it into the formal written method. I've got my bus stop, I've got my divisor, my dividends in the inside. Let's go. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 3 divided by 2. Now, how many times does 2 fit into 3? Once, remainder 1. So I'm going to exchange my 1. 12 divided by 2 is 6. And 4 divided by 2 is 2. So my answer, or my quotient, if you want to be really mathematical, is 2,162. Okay, so just day 2, lots more practice. Okay, the next one, I'm going to have a little look. Sorry, I haven't got my stand today. So linear, if you want to press pause and if you want to work on it yourself, do so now. If you want to work with me or you're checking your answer, let's have a look. Okay, so let's set it up properly in our bus stop method. Okay, so 6 divided by 5, 1 remainder 1. 11 divided by 5, well I know 5 times 2 is 10, so 2 remainder 1. Here I have 11 again, so it's going to be 2 remainder 1. And then 15 divided by 5 is 3. So my answer is 1,223. Okay. And then the last piece of practice, you've got another word problem. So 3 skateboards cost $72.99. How much does 1 cost? So for all 3 of them, it's $72.99. How much does 1 cost? Okay, so I'm dividing it by 3. I want to find out how much 1 of them costs. So I have, I'll do it over here. So I have £72.99 divided by 3. Sorry, just off camera there. Now, you might think this is a bit tricky because I've got a decimal point, but let me show you. So again, we start with the highest place value. So 7 divided by 3 is 2. 3 2s are 6. I've got 1 remainder. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Now, I always have a little saying when I say to my children, if the decimal's in the house, pretend that's a house. If the decimal's in the house, raise it to the roof. So you keep it directly in line. If the decimal's in the house, raise it to the roof. And then you just carry on to the tenths and the hundredths. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So let's go back to our question. 3 skateboards, so all 3 of them together cost $72.99. How much does 1 cost on its own? And the answer is £24.33. Okay, so again, day 2, lots more practice. Carry on with your independent practice as well. And tomorrow you're going to be looking at remainders. Hope you all got on okay yesterday. Hope you get on okay today. And I will see you and speak to you tomorrow.